is 3 fills in 3/4 from levels 1 to 3, because I did a video on 3/4 grooves and it just makes sense. It's like making a sandwich without a filling, right? You just got to do both. You just got to have both. 2 things before we start. Firstly, if you want all the notation for everything I play in this video, it's going to be in the description. Follow the link below. Secondly, what's 3/4? 3/4 is 3/4 notes per bar. I've explained this probably in more depth in the grooves video, but either way, stay here, please don't go. Open that in a new tab or something, just stay. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Classic move that is. It's called bucket of fish. Right, left, right, kick. Get that down first, triplet 1, before we integrate it into the fill. Triplet 1, triplet 1, triplet 1. Or in this case, triplet 2, because we're playing a kick on beat 1 as well. So we get 1 triplet 2, 1 triplet 2, 1 triplet 2, 1 triplet 2, 1 triplet 2. That's a bit too groovy for my liking. Pipe down. So we're going to add an extra bass drum then on the and of 2 after that. 1 triplet 2 and then for beat 3 we're coming over to the snare drum, playing a flam, so that's 1 stick all the way up, 1 stick halfway up, drop them, and then you're going to get a left, so you get flam left, also known as a flam tap, but don't worry about the technicalities, and that gets you to the end ready for a crash on 1. So sticking it all together, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Sounds pretty good. Right, next. Could I go a whole video without talking about 6-stroke rolls? No. The answer is no. 1 2 3. 6-stroke roll. Right, left, left, right, right, left. Played as 6 tuplets. Right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right. The pulse is felt on that first right, so 1 2 3 4. This is just a great figure to get down in general. Outside of weird funky time signatures, this bad boy will serve you very well. So on and so forth. But in this context, first of all, beat 1. We're going to play floor tom, kick. 1 and. 1 and we're going to stay on that floor tom for the first beat of the 6-stroke. 1 and triplet, triplet. 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Little hack with 6 strokes, make sure you accent the first and last note. There's single strokes and then you've got the doubles in between. Keep those nice and low. So beats 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and. That is pretty plain sailing because you're going to hit a right and then a kick. And then you're out. 1 2 3, 1 bat, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Ooh. Nearly missed it, but we got there. All right, I'm not wasting your time. Number 3. 1 2 3. Oof. I love me a good rough. Who doesn't like a good rough? For context, rough means right, left, or left, right, accenting the last note. Or triplet 1. Again, similar to the bucket of fish, but just instead of playing a kick drum, we're going to play an accent right up at that. Now these accents are going to be the thing that falls on the downbeat. So we start this fill with a flam on 1. You can either do right hand leading or left hand leading. Either way, one hand all the way up, other hand halfway up, drop them. So we go 1, and then we move the right hand over to the floor tom, just for that 1 hit. 1. Triplet 1, or in this case, triplet 2. Flam, triplet 2. And it does take a little bit of time to get it that speedy. Just stick with it. Stay on the snare drum first of all and then move it about. So we do 2 of those roughs in a row. So you get flam, triplet 1, and that's it. Also, FYI, you can fill in with whatever 3/4 groove you like, but today we're focusing on the fills. You don't have to stick on the snare drum either. You can move it around the toms. But there is a framework for you to work around if you would like. Don't forget you can check out the free ebook that comes with every one of these videos, where we give you not only the fill we're talking about or the groove or whatever, but we also give you some variations to try out. So go in the description and check it out. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. 3 fills in 3/4, because why not? Live dangerously. If you like this video, there are tons more just like this one on top of even shorter lessons in the shorts. So feel free to check those out on the Love to Learn Drums channel. And I checked the stats the other day, and like a tiny percentage of you guys are actually subscribed to us. So do me a solid and subscribe, because it helps us a whole lot. So thank you very much again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Big love.